Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Amazon alternatives. Now, if you are an Amazon associate, you promote affiliate products, you may have received an email telling you that they have cut down their commission rates from 10% all the way down to 3% and 1%. Now, for certain items, you were getting paid around 10% commission per sale, and now that has been dropped down all the way to 3%, and for some items you're going to be getting paid only 1% commission rate. Now, for those who have built entire niche websites around Amazon associate products, that's very bad news. But don't worry guys, there are other alternatives out there that you can use besides Amazon associates, and I'm going to be showing you those in this video. So let's get started guys. First on our list guys is Walmart. Now if we come up here to the category section and we scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that each of these categories have a lot of items and a lot of subcategories that you can promote with tons of products on this website. Now similar to Amazon, you're going to get all of these products on there as well, and you can find those here on Walmart as well. So you can go through the different products and the different categories that they have on here, and you can check them out to see if there's something on here that you can promote on your blog or website. To become an affiliate, head on over to affiliates.walmart.com and you can go ahead and click on this button here that says become a member. Now they actually state here that you can get approved within 24 hours if you do sign up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the commission structure of this website before you actually do go ahead and sign up for the affiliate program. So for 90% of the products that you find on here, you're going to be getting a 4% sale commission per sale guys, and you have some items that you can earn around $10 per item, and the commission rates goes all the way down to 1%. So they also have a lot of different promotional methods that you can use to promote their products, and you can also sign up from a lot of different countries. So let's check out some of the countries that you can sign up from. So if you come up here, you'll find that there are tons of countries around the world that you can sign up from to go ahead and promote Walmart affiliate products. So next guys, we have Macys, and Macys also has an affiliate program that you can go ahead and join. Now if we come down to the different departments, you're going to see that they have tons of products and categories that you can choose from to promote. Now to find their affiliate program sign up page guys, you can simply type Macys affiliate program into Google, click on the first result, and it's going to take you to this page. Now as you can see, they have a base commission of 6%. Their payment frequency is around monthly, and you can get paid by direct deposit and wire transfer, and they allow people from all over the world. Now once you get onto here, you can go ahead and click on learn more, and it's going to take you to the Rakuten publisher registration page where you can go ahead and sign up to become an affiliate. So first off the bat guys, you want to go ahead and check and see if your country is listed here and you're able to sign up with this particular affiliate network. And as you can see, they allow most countries, but this is where it gets a little complicated. You will need to have a website to be able to join this affiliate network and promote the Macys affiliate program. Now if you scroll down a little further, you're going to see that you can get paid in different currencies here, and your monthly payment threshold is around $50. What I like about this network also guys is that you will find other programs that you can join. Once you join the Rakuten publisher affiliate program, you're going to find tons of other companies that are promoting their items on this network, and you can promote them as well. So go ahead and check it out guys. Next we have homedepot.com. So if you're in the home renovation space, you're in the home decor niche, or in the DIY and crafts niche, you can go ahead and check out this website. Once you get on here, you want to scroll all the way down and you want to find where it says affiliate program. It's going to take you to this page where you will be able to join the affiliate program. Now to get all of the information you want, you can click on view all facts, and it's going to take you to this page. Now what I don't like about this site is that you will need a website to sign up, and guys, you will be able to get paid up to 8% for certain items on this website. Similar to Amazon, the cookie is only 24 hours, and as you can see here, you can get paid up to 8% for certain items on this particular website. Now, how often will you get paid? You will get paid on the 20th of every month through direct deposits. Now, you can also get paid by check, and guys, you will need to sign up with Impact Radius to be able to join the Home Depot affiliate program. So let's go ahead and check the sign up page. And similar to Macys, you can go ahead and join the Impact Radius to be able to access all of these different affiliate networks to start earning commissions. So next on our list is Wayfair.com. Now this is also an awesome site that has tons of products in different categories that you can promote. To be able to check out the affiliate page for this particular website, scroll all the way down, guys, and you want to click on About Wayfair. It's going to take you to this page, and you need to scroll down a little bit further and click on Partner with Us. So this is where it's going to give you all the information you need about becoming an affiliate. And as you can see here, you're going to be earning around 7% commission, and you will have to join through Commission Junction. So here is the sign up page. You can go ahead and sign up. If you already have a CJ affiliate publisher account, you can go ahead and log in, guys, to be able to work with this network. Next we have Target, guys, and Target also has an affiliate program that you can go ahead and join. And what I like about this site is that they have the same day delivery offer that Amazon actually has, and they provide for their customers. And if we go to the categories, you're going to see that they have a lot of different categories as well. So to go ahead and check out their affiliate program, just go to affiliate.target.com, and it's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and get all of the information that you need before signing up with this website. So as you can see right off the bat, you have an 8% commission on popular categories, and you have a 7-day cookie. So if someone goes ahead and use your affiliate link to get onto the platform, that if they purchase anything within 7 days, you're going to get a commission for that. So I think that this is awesome, and you can go ahead and check it out. You also have to sign up through Impact Radius, so just go ahead and click on this join today, and this is where you will be able to sign up. You can see, guys, you can sign up for almost any country from around the world. So but you will need a website to be able to join this particular affiliate network. So go ahead and check it out and see if it's something that's going to work for you. So next we have the Lowe's affiliate program that you can also join through CJ Affiliates. If you have an account with them, that's awesome. You can actually go ahead and apply to become an affiliate for this particular website. So if you're in something like home decor and on outdoor furnitures, bathroom decor and furnitures and stuff like that, you can go ahead and try out for this website to become an affiliate. So to sign up, simply go all the way down and click on affiliate program. It's going to take you to this page. But what we have right off the bat here is that they're telling you that they're looking for high quality websites with US based traffic. So if your website does not have traffic from the US, I don't recommend you sign up for this particular affiliate program. They do not state how much they're paying out commissions, but if you're a part of the CJ network, you can go ahead and check it out for yourself, guys. And this is where you will be able to sign up to become an affiliate for this network. So last on our list, we have eBay. And surprisingly, eBay has a very high commission structure. And if you do become an affiliate for this particular website, you are going to be making a lot of money, and it's going to be so much more than Amazon Associates, guys. Right off the bat, you see that there are tons of products in different categories that you can go ahead and promote, and this website has been around for ages. A lot of people trust this website, and they purchase their items daily from eBay. To become an affiliate, simply scroll all the way down and go to this section where it has sell and go to affiliates. It's going to take you to this page, guys, where you can get all of the information. As you can see here, you can be earning anywhere up to $100 for certain products on the platform, and you can get up to $12 per sale, guys, for certain items. So you have commission rates ranging from 50% up to 70% go ahead and check it out and see if you can find products for your audience. So you're gonna be getting paid if you do promote this platform with direct deposits or PayPal, and you have a minimum payment threshold of only $10. And joining is really easy. You have a little bit of qualification to become an affiliate. So as you can see here, you need to be at least 18 years old and you need to have a blog or somewhere that you can promote their affiliate link. And you can also simply promote their products on your social media feeds, as you can see here. So this is also awesome, and you can go ahead and check it out. You're going to be making so much more than Amazon Associates. And to sign up, as you can see here, you just need to click on the partner.ebay.com to be able to sign up and join their affiliate network. So go ahead and check it out, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you did like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and stay awesome until next time.